It's time to bring a little bit of fall into our crafting. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and I love the season of fall. It is my favorite season of the year. I love when the leaves turn colors. I love when it gets a little cooler, a little crisper. I love coffee and everything pumpkin spice. I love football. I just love the fall, and I'm very excited for this fall and to start bringing in a little bit of fall into the craft room. So today I am actually going to be setting up a fall journaling spread in my catch-all planner using Cozy Fall from Wrong Devo. And I'm also going to talk a little bit about what is coming up on or in Patreon this September. Lots of fun. We're having a cozy fall theme, Cozy Beginnings, for the month of September. So I want to tell you about it as I decorate for next week using this new sticker book from Wrong Devo. All right, I'm going to put you all on fast forward. Let's go. All right, so today I am working on decorating my creative journal, and I'm using Cozy Fall from Wrong Devo, one of her new fall releases. If you haven't shopped her gorgeous new fall release, definitely check out that affiliate link down below because it is beautiful. And this book is perfect because it has purples and plums in it, which I adore. And it also has this midnight blue, this deep blue color, which is great for the month of September over on Patreon because we are doing a color a month. In Patreon, throughout the year, we've been kind of working our way through the rainbow. September is going to be midnight blue, and we're doing midnight blue reflections. It's the very beginning of fall. It's when things start feeling cozy. You start to have some seasonal crafting projects. It's just all about getting cozy in your space and having fun with some of the seasonal, all the seasonal crafts. And that's what we're doing in September. So I'm calling it Cozy Beginnings. We have a lot going on. There will be a bunch of exclusive videos, 2 exclusive videos every single week. Some of them that are coming up, we're going to have some fall themed weekly layouts, really customizing it for the fall. There will be fall bucket list making, faith in the fall, so some extra faith themed videos and Bible journaling videos. Some of you have expressed wanting to see some more of those. They are coming up each and every month over on Patreon, so you can definitely check them out over there. We're going to organize off our fall decor supplies. That is one of my favorite things to do because I think we all get excited when all of the new releases, like this gorgeous one from Wrong, when they come about. But if you haven't organized your fall supplies, then you don't know what you have already. And getting them all into one place can really inspire you throughout the season. So over on Patreon, we're definitely going to spend some time doing that. It's just a great time to grab some coffee, to cozy up, and to do some crafts. And what I love most about this Patreon group is that you're doing all those things, but it feels like you're doing it with friends. We have live streams, we have Zoom calls, we have discussion boards, we have all of this stuff going on that really allows you to connect to others around the country, around the world, that kind of share your passion. And I don't know about you, but I don't know a lot of friends in real life, especially now that I've moved away from any of my crafty friends. I don't have a lot of friends in real life that share the same passions I do. So I love connecting with my patrons because they get just as excited about a new fall washi tape like I do. They don't think I'm crazy. And for that, I am super, super thankful. And that is why I look forward to getting onto the Patreon platform all the time. It's why I look forward to interacting with everybody. It's just fun to connect over those things. All of that to say, if you are looking for some extra inspiration this September, if you are just as excited about fall and ready to dive into a bunch of different fall craft projects, memory keeping, and planning, and Bible journaling, and organization, all the fall things. If you are looking forward to those things as much as I am, then Patreon is going to be the place you want to be for September. It's not too late to join us. You can head over to patreon.com/ScrappyWife to find out more. Some important things to remember. At the free tier, that's where you're going to end up getting those weekly free printables that I offer. Every Thursday, I release printables that you can use in your planner and your other crafting. At the $5 tier, that would be the pink tier. That is where you can get access to YouTube videos and challenges, things like that. It is at the second tier, the yellow tier, where you start to get access to that exclusive video content. So whenever anyone asks, where should I start over on Patreon, I kind of always suggest that yellow tier because that really gives you access to a ton of different content. If you're wanting to connect even more, then it might be that the green tier is right for you. That is where you get access to the live streams and the Zoom calls. So that's really going to dial you into the rest of the crafty community over there. And then if you like to receive monthly happy mail, well, then the blue tier or the purple tier is going to be perfect for you. So check out one of the tiers. There's something for everyone from free all the way up through the purple tier where you get custom planner spreads. Check it out and come join us for some cozy beginnings this September. All right, as I've been yapping away, I've been working on this spread. I wanted to go for a different feel. I wanted to go down the page and have it kind of pooling at the bottom, you might say. So I started with that washi tape in the middle. That is simply gilded washi tape. I used a couple of the long border pieces that had that plum color that I'm obsessed with in the sticker book. We added that in, and now I'm just having these wrong girls. We're setting the tone for fall in this creative journal spread. I feel like the fall is meant for journaling. I just imagine getting curled up by a fire with a cup of tea and a good book, doing a little bit of reading, doing a little bit of journaling. And so I love to have those elements in my planner as inspiration because I know that I use my planner spreads to inspire me. So if I'm looking for energy in a particular week, I might do brighter colors. If I'm looking for a little extra peace and some calm, I might do something a little bit more soothing. And when I'm ready for the seasons to change, when I'm ready to embrace that change, well, it definitely means I'm going to go seasonal, which is what you see me doing right here. Now, originally for this spread, I was just going to work along that middle and bottom. I really wanted to bring, I'm a maximalist. I can't help it. I'm going to have something across the whole spread. So I had to bring something into Monday. I really felt like I wanted to figure out how to bring the washi tape into more parts of the spread. That is something that I'm continually trying to do is add little details, a piece of ripped washi tape, just an extra leaf here and there, just little details that really start to elevate a spread and just show that you took that extra time with it. So I'm going to bring in the washi tape on a few of the boxes. I'm going to bring in an extra box up to that Saturday just to give a little balance over on the right hand side. And then what I actually end up doing is adding washi tape over all of the days of the week. I did this, I can't remember if I did it for my spread or patron spread, but I did this recently on a custom planner spread and loved the look. And I always say, if you find something you like, a technique, a look, a layout, by all means, repeat it over and over again until you get tired of it. Like, I love this wonky washi. You see, I have it tilted all different ways. It's a burst of that deep color, which I love. It brings a little bit of foiling, which is great for me, for my journal spreads. I just like the look of it. So I'm using the washi tape to cover up the days of the week. Then I will go over the top of that. I'm going to pull labels from Mojo Jojo Plans. I think this is Dated Basics 2.0. I'm going to add those in, and of course the dates to wrap up this spread. It's all about those little detail moments. Something about changing the days of the week really makes me feel like I spent more time on that particular spread. It's not necessarily true. This one came together super fast because of the clusters in that cozy fall sticker book from Wrong Wrong. But whenever I take the time to change up the font for the days of the week, then I know that I've kind of elevated the spread past what I might normally do. All right, once I get this dated, then I'm just going to cut down the middle to cut apart the 2 pages and repunch the discs right in the middle. And that's going to be it for this planner spread. So let me know what you think down below. And don't forget, we would love to have you join us over on Patreon. I promise you're not going to regret it. It's such a fun community to be a part of, and you will be inspired to get into some of that fall crafting throughout the month of September. So you can head over to patreon.com/scrappywife to find out more and let me know what you are excited about this fall. What's something that's on your fall bucket list? Journaling is way up there for me, and maybe experimenting with a couple of new hobbies along the way as well. As always, I link the supplies that I use down in the description box below, so you can be sure to check that out. Otherwise, I hope that all of you have an absolutely fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.